For most users, internet access is a utility, like phone service and electricity. Customers pay a company to access the web through phone service or cable TV lines. But the equipment on this Vienna rooftop is a different model.
So this one points to an antenna all the way back there on the hills which surround Vienna.
Aaron Kaplan is showing off the main point, or node, in the Funkfeuer mesh network.
These smaller ones up there?
It provides wireless network access across large areas using the same open radio spectrum as Wi-Fi. But unlike traditional Wi-Fi, responsible for small wireless networks in homes and offices, the Funkfeuer mesh operates over much bigger distances.
You could do the same, of course, in a road from window to window and just sort of bounce along the road. This is also possible. Then you don't need these complicated, big-looking antennas. You can take just a small one, just like this, and just put it in your window.
The key is to have enough users to put routers and antennas out in the open so that every user becomes another provider. If one node has access to the internet, all the Funkfeuer users on the network do too. Many look at the technology as a way to circumvent government internet controls.
It's very hard to shut them down because you have to go after each single node, each single node owner. So it's not easy as it was in Egypt, where you just go to one single ISP which has all the internet cables going through one building, and you just call them and say you need to shut this down. This is not possible anymore because it's so distributed.
MetaLab is a so-called hackerspace in Vienna, where tech enthusiasts collaborate on projects like computer networks as well as radio. Adrian Dabrowski was one of the first to work on Funkfeuer. He recalled first playing with the then new Wi-Fi possibilities.
There were these experiments, make an own antenna and get not 20 meters but get 100 meters or get 200 meters, and yeah, it was very interesting, and suddenly you could build networks over a whole city, and it was like a whole new world.
And here, collaboration with ham radio operators like Clemens Hopfer has led to a new breakthrough that has allowed them to send data by shortwave radio to receivers up to 200 kilometers away.
Yeah, it's okay. I mean, it's if you want to spread links across a big country, it's not that easy to do that, but it is possible.
Programmers say the technology holds great promise, and to help spur innovation, all their plans and technical memos are available free online. Rick Valenzuela for VOA News, Vienna.